Alright, real quick I want to show you how to download and install fonts on your computer. It's fairly simple and it's going to make your name tag pop a lot better. So follow along with what I'm about to do. Let's say you have your name tag set up like this and you've got your name on it. In order to find a better font, you're going to need to actually go to a website. I'm going to put the link in this assignment, but for right now, just go to DaFont, DaFont.com. Once you are inside of this, you will see all of these different categories up here at the top that you can kind of choose from. If you want something that looks a little handwritten, click on that handwritten section. You'll see something of that category. If you want something medieval or something horror or distorted looking, you have all these different options for different types of fonts. Now, when you click on these fonts, you're going to see a listing of the different things about that font. So if you scroll down, you'll see that this font right here doesn't have a lowercase. The capital letters are the same for the uppercase as the lowercase. You'll see it has numbers, but it doesn't have many symbols here. So you get what you pay for as far as fonts go. I want you to also notice right here above download, it says things like free for personal use, meaning that you can use this all you want on things that you're going to use for yourself, but you can't sell it without donating to the author. 100% free means just that. It's 100% free. You can use it for whatever you want to use it for. Look in here, and there it is. Some of them will say donationware or shareware. And if you're going to use that, then you again have to make a donation to the author of this font. People make a lot of money just selling fonts. So find a font that you like, whatever you like, and hit that download button. Now when you hit that, it's going to show up as a zip file down here. It may show up as a TTF or OTF file. That's fine too. If you click on this, it'll open up that file inside of your folder system. You'll see mine pop up here, and it will give me an OTF file or a TTF file. That's what you're looking for. Anything in that folder that says OTF or TTF, you're going to double click on. Try that again. There it goes. Now when you double click on this, what's going to happen is it's going to pop up and it's going to ask you if you want to install that font. You do, hit install. It may pop up saying something like validate font. If that's the case, just check it and hit install checked. So here it is. It's in my font book. It's called Dr. Glitch. So now if I go to my document here inside of Photoshop, it'll automatically update my font list so that it's already in here. I'll highlight my name with my type tool, go up here, and I'll type the name Doctor, and there it is, Dr. Glitch, and there's my font. It allows me to have some kind of different or cool font on my name tag, so I'm not stuck with the same fonts in the list that everybody else has. So make sure that you experiment with your fonts when it comes to this project.